Hello friends, I'm going to be teaching you how to log into Microsoft Teams using a computer. The first thing you want to do is open an internet browser. We prefer Google Chrome. Things run a little bit smoother when you use Google Chrome. Once that's open, you're going to go to the district website. Once you're logged into the district website, in the top right hand corner over here you see this quick links link. You want to click on that and scroll down to the tools section, and we're going to look at the second one, email/Office 365. You're going to click on that and it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. You're going to put in your email address, which is on your green checklist under your QR code. And then you're going to put in your PIN number, which is the same number that you use when you log into the computer for Mrs. McMorris. So if you can't remember your password for Mrs. McMorris's class, let me or Miss Thompson know and we will get it for you. Now, after you have put in your email and your PIN number, you can click sign in and it will take you to this screen. On this screen, we're just going to worry about this icon right here, the Teams icon. I want you to click on that. And after it loads, it will look like this. Now, this is one of my students' logins, so it says Mrs. Hill's class here. When you log into Miss Thompson's class, it might look a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and click on Mrs. Hale's class and hit next, and it's going to bring you up with these. I don't have any assignments here right now. So the next thing I want you to look at is if you click on these three dots over here, it will show you your teams. And then you can see all the teams that you're in. Like I said, this is mine, so this is my team. And then once you click there, you can see the different things that I have shared with you. So right here, I've typed a little message that you can reply to. And then here you can see that I've scheduled a class meeting. You can also see our class meeting schedules if you come over here to the side and look at these tabs. There's one that says calendar. You can click on that. And then if you scroll down, you can see that Thursday, April 16th, we have a meeting scheduled. We're going to click on it. And it shows that our meeting is scheduled at 3 o'clock. Now, you can RSVP and let me know that you're going to come. Or Thursday when you log in, when it's the right time, 3 o'clock, you can click right here, the join button, and it will add you to the call so that you can see me and the rest of your classmates, and we can do an activity and kind of talk. And that's how you use Microsoft Teams on a desktop. Now, if you want to make it a little bit easier, you can come over to this circle here. It'll look a little different depending on your name. And then you can add the Teams icon to your desktop by clicking right here. Download the desktop app. If we click that, you can see it download here in the bottom corner. Once it's downloaded, we can move this out of the way, and I'll open that. Sorry, it's loading. And you can see it's added it to my desktop right here. So now next time when I want to log in, I can just click on this. And it should log you straight in. You might have to sign in one more time, but then after that, it will just keep you signed in. My internet's being a little bit slow right now, so it's probably not going to load. But yeah, So if you want to make it a little bit faster next time so you don't have to go through the school website, you'll click the circle here and then download the desktop app. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.